Hello friends, how are you? You are watching my channel Funtech. Today we will analyze the Ethereum and the Bitcoin. So we will start from the Bitcoin 15-minute chart. In the 50-minute chart, we can see that the Stoch RSI extremely oversold. The range is 11.5 to 8.4, which means potentially bounce. If we check the second step, CCI, the CCI is negative 28.3, which means short-term bearish pressure. Only short-term bearish pressure. If we check the third thing, the price pattern, small pullback after hitting 118936 now in consolidation. If we check the 1 hour chart, in 1 hour chart, we can see that the RSI is overbought. The range is 88.7 to 93.3, which means pull back. Okay, if we check the second thing, CCI shows that 67.0, which means moderate bullish. If we check, now we check the 4 hour pattern, 4 hour chart. In 4 hour chart, the Stoch RSI overbought. The range 86.8 to 69.2. Watch for the topping. Okay, watch for the topping. If we check the CCI is 91.5, which means the strong momentum but nearing over support. We can check that our support zone is 11.7 100. Our resistance is 119,300 to 120,249. My suggestion is that for the trade setup, for the short, if you take the short, if the price reject near 11850 to 119,300, take the short trade. Entry level is 118 to 850 to 119,200. You can take the TP 118,000 to 117,300. You should be take the stop losses 119,500. The reason is that bearish divergence in short term with overbought RSI. If you want to take trade from the long side, the price of the entry level is must be 117,300 to 117,800. Okay, the TP is 118,800 to 119,300. Your stop loss will be 117,700. The reason, strong support zone for 400 chart, momentum still pull back. A wide entry while it's in no man's load 118.5 range. Okay, if we will check the Ethereum, what happened? The Ethereum says, okay. What's still loading? Ethereum 4 hour chart, the Stoch RSI is 70 rising, which means bullish momentum. We will check the CCI. The CCI is 114.8, which means strong trend in playing. If you go on my way, I am holding the Ethereum from the long term because the alt season is coming. Okay, so for use altcoin, mostly Ethereum, buy Ethereum, whichever you are. Okay, so the bullish scene reclaim from 3,800. Resistance zone is 3,895 to 3,914, and the support is 3,816 to 3,800. If you swing long entry, your entry level must be 3,830, and the TP1 must be 3,895, and the TP2 is 3,950. Your scope loss will be 3,810. Okay, Ethereum still strong. We should be scared by the Ethereans.